Good day everyone. In the documentary 2040, the Mongameo presents regenerative agriculture as one of the most effective ways to address climate change. Instead of simply reducing environmental damage, regenerate farming restores soil health, captures carbon from the atmosphere, and increases biodiversity. Our proposal is to adopt this idea into a campus regenerative garden initiative.
Regenerative agriculture focuses on working with nature instead of against it. It uses practices such as composting and planting diverse crops, reducing chemical fertilizers, and keeping the soil healthy. Healthy soil stores more carbon, retains more water, and produces healthier plants, make it a sustainable alternative to a conventional farming.
For local application, although our campus is not large enough for farming, we can apply the same principle on a smaller scale. We can convert unused space into vegetable and native plant gardens. Establish compost bin for biodegradable waste from our cafeteria, and use the compost to naturally fertilize the gardens. This create a small but meaningful regenerative ecosystem within our campus.
Local application. The harvested vegetables and herbs can support campus activities, student organization, or community outreach programs. The garden can also become a learning space where students from different courses gain hands-on experience with a sustainable practice while encouraging environmental awareness through.
One important message of 2040 is that meaningful change starts with ordinary people. Our project does not require waiting for large institutions or major policy changes. Students, faculty, and nearby residents can all participate by volunteering, donating compost materials, or helping maintain the garden.
For community empowerment, as more people become involved, the projects become self-sustaining, even if some individuals are not interested or choose not to participate. The garden continues to grow because it relies on community cooperation rather than the approval of a few decision makers. This makes resistance less influential and give everyone the opportunity to contribute.
Actionable step. We can start immediately by organizing a student-led compost and planting day. Students can bring biodegradable waste from home or the cafeteria. Collect recyclable containers to use as plant pots and plant vegetables or native plants together. This simple activity requires very little funding and demonstrates that environmental action can begin today.
The documentary 2040 remind us that the future depends on the choices we make today. By creating a campus regenerative garden initiative, we improve our environment, reduce waste, and strengthen our community. Change that does not have to start from the top. It can begin with students taking one small step together. Thank you.